Hello everyone, welcome you all to class number 7 of Spoken English and Basic Grammar. In this class, we are going to discuss how to make sentences using various adverbs. So before beginning the class, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to get the latest videos of the classes on time. We have already discussed various types of adverbs in class number 6, and as I told in class number 6 that we are going to utilize all the adverbs in a sentence in class number 7. So let us do that. The first one that we have discussed is adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? So adverb of manner is the adverb which depicts the action being done by the subject in a sentence. So how does the subject does the action in a sentence? So examples I have given. Now let us use these examples in making a sentence. First one, cheerfully. He attended the program cheerfully. Efficiently. Karthik has done the work efficiently. Now just remember, what is adverb of manner? Action being done by the subject. See, he is a action subject here. How he does the action? So he does the action cheerfully. In this efficiently, Karthik is a subject. How he does this action? So Karthik does the action efficiently. See how he does the action efficiently. Then painfully he went home painfully as he was not happy with the work. Secretly, they secretly discussed the matter. Quietly, he quietly prayed in the temple, or she quietly prayed in the temple, or they quietly prayed in the temple. You can use any person here. Peacefully, my uncle is settled peacefully in Mumbai. Okay, my aunt is settled peacefully in Mumbai. My father is settled peacefully in Mumbai, or my brother. Okay, you can use any. Carefully, the teacher carefully handled the naughty student. Closely, I closely watched the TV show. Easily, I completed the task easily without much effort. Fast, it's late now. You should go home fast. Quickly, the time is running. The work must be done quickly. Well, he was playing well. Slowly, I wrote the exam slowly, but I didn't take extra time. Badly, the road is repaired badly. Swiftly, they swiftly ran to playground. So, adverb of manner describes the action done by a subject in a sentence. So, how they ran? Okay, they ran swiftly to the playground. So, this is regarding adverb of manner. So, you have to make your own sentences, right? And activity I have given, you have to make another sentence using this as a model. Next, second one, adverb of place. So what is the adverb of place? So it is an adverb which describes the location or the place of the action. So we have given enough examples in class number 6 while discussing adverb of place. Now let us use those examples in making a sentence. First one, in. Switch on the light in the room. See, this is adverb of place. So we are telling, or somebody is telling to switch on the light. Where? In the room. So adverb of place can be easily identified by asking the question where. On. Keep my phone on the table. Where should I keep the phone? I should keep it on the table. Then out. We love to go out on every Sunday. Inside. She has kept the clothes inside. Outside. We kept our bags outside. Up. This year our sales has gone up. Down. Can you please take those chairs down? Above. We must maintain our standard above. I found him. He was hiding behind. I kept it below. Now I don't know where it is. Here. It's raining here. There. I was working there for 5 years. Nearby. We can't find it in nearby place. Away. During exam time I was away from home. Around. I saw beautiful sceneries around. Upstairs. I am at upstairs. Please come here. Downstairs. My room is in downstairs. My sister stays at upstairs. Anywhere. I could not see him anywhere. Somewhere. I saw her going somewhere. Everywhere. The smell of the flower is spreading everywhere. Nowhere. I searched him, but he was nowhere to find. Backwards. We need to walk backwards to get the bus. Forward. They moved forward to another city. Nearby. She didn't find any shop nearby. Abroad. Mr. Karthik has gone abroad to seek a job. North. Let us move towards north. East. The birds are flying to east. South. The house is facing to south. West. The train is running west to Mumbai. So all these are examples for adverb of place, and we have constructed sentence using all these adverb of place. And the third one is adverb of time. What is adverb of time? So it is a adverb which is used to depict time of an action in a sentence when the action has been done. Or you can just ask the question when in order to identify this adverb. Now let us use all these adverb of time in a sentence. First one is soon. I will meet you soon. See, just ask the question when. I'll meet you soon. Now, just ask the question when. I am at meeting now. So we can ask question when to all these sentences. You will easily find out what is adverb of time. Later. I will give this book later. Then she was working then. Tomorrow the parcel will reach you tomorrow. Today he will not come to office today. Day after tomorrow relatives will come to my house day after tomorrow. Every day we should exercise every day. Daily we should read newspaper daily. Weekly the assignments are given weekly. Annually my friends will be meeting annually. Quarterly the companies publish their result quarterly. Yearly the appraisal is done yearly. Yesterday I went to college yesterday. Last month he was at Delhi. Tonight he is not going to sleep tonight. Last week I went to grandma's house last week. Immediately. The blood is required immediately. Often you should go to college. Rarely. Smita goes to native rarely. Frequently. I receive suggestions frequently. So these are the examples for adverb of time. Now let us go for the next one, that is adverb of degree. Okay, what is adverb of degree? So this is the adverb which depicts the extent, measure, or scope of an action. So there are many examples we have already given in class number 6. Let us use all these examples in a sentence. First one is too. The juice that we had was too cold. Okay, to what extent it was cold? It was too cold. Very, Mr. A is a very tall. Little, he smiles just a little. Much, I don't want much. More, I want the suggestions more. Quite, he looks quite young. Fairly, the matter was sold fairly. Enormously, the mother enormously gave all things to son. Entirely, I want to participate entirely. Extremely, it's extremely cold this year. Rather, I did the exam rather well. Almost, the food is almost over. Absolutely, it was absolutely not necessary to inform them. Just, she left just now. Completely, he lost the match completely. Deeply, she is studying deeply for the exam. Enough, I found enough examples. Fully, the parties didn't agree to terms fully. Greatly, I greatly miss my college days. Hardly, he hardly prepared for the exam. Really, she felt really bad for scolding him. Strongly, I strongly suggested not to go for swimming. Highly, the mobile phones are highly misused. Incredibly, I felt incredibly lucky to go to Northeast. Remarkably, the car is in good condition. Pretty, the place is pretty good. Unusually, The class is unusually silent today. So all these are examples for adverb of degree. So if you ask the question to what extent, you will get an answer from these sentences. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Adverb of frequency. This is the last one. So what is adverb of frequency? How many times or number of times an action happens within a particular period of time. So let's use adverb of frequency in a sentence. First one is always. Ratan always buys vegetables from market. Sometimes, I sometimes just want to hear music. Often, he often goes to movie. Frequently, the students frequently missed the classes. Normally, I normally don't have dinner at night. Generally, they generally don't go to play. Usually, she usually goes for a long drive on weekends. Occasionally, my classmates get together occasionally. Seldom, the classes are here are seldom late. Rarely, I went to a mall, it's really crowded. Hardly ever, bar never. He has hardly ever gone to a strange place, or he has hardly never gone to a strange place. Many times, I went to Kashmir many times. Every now and then, we go home every now and then. Eventually, you will come to know eventually. So, all these are examples for adverb of frequency. Okay, you will come to know how many times the action has been taken place. So, these are the various examples for adverb which we have used in a sentence. Now, there is an activity for you. What you have to do? You have to construct your own sentences for all these adverbs. Okay, so thank you for hearing this class. We'll meet you in the class number 8. Thank you.